Hey, what's up, TK? Again, let's go, man. Today I'm back with another banger, man. Time for react to cringy moments of the seafood mukbang boil Ashmere fails. If you're on this channel, like it right now, subscribe, man. I love y'all so much, man. Welcome to my channel. I'm Tareek gang. Like I said, if you are new, subscribe, like it up. Well, we finna get straight to the video. Let's go, man. Where we going, man? We finna get ready to start the video, man. Hopefully y'all like it. Hopefully, I don't know. I hope it's good, man. But what y'all looking at? Clown. Let's go.
祝所有给这个视频双击的老铁现在都能飞黄腾达。
Ah! I thought they was dead. They not dead. Obviously, like they moving and stuff when she put the little liquid on them, jumping around. What? It's crazy.
祝所有给这个视频双击的老铁现在都能飞黄腾达。妈呀！妈呀！场面控制不住！哎呀，吓死了！没了。
It looks like she's scared. I'd be scared too.
哎呀！腌制的发财蟹马上开播！来了！嘿！
Bro, them mugs. Hold on.
开播！
Hey, them mugs are alive. Like, is she eating them while they alive or when they cook? Like, that's nasty.
老铁们，今天来解剖象拔蚌，让你们一次性看过瘾。你看这个下都缩了没了，把这两个吓死的先剪掉，先放它一马。今天让你们一次性先看过瘾。郁闷呀，哪吓尿了呢？先不剪你哦，放你一马。哎，这两个吓死了。
Oh, try.
这个吓尿了。老铁们，来一盘香辣爆头，你们觉得够辣吗？我怎么觉得不太够呢？再上点辣油。 喜欢吃辣的宝宝。
Wait. Is that octopus?
个双击。哇塞！爆个头。么。
That was so trifling. Ugh.
我一个大海参，我得好好补补，大不大？看。
What is that?
马上直播开造，先爆了。腿儿。
Bro, like.
象拔蚌烫来了，腌制了一个爆头。哎呦我勒个去！我这还能打晕吗？我估计打完了要溅满身了。哦，
It's brain,
有默契
bro.
的双击老铁。
That's some zombie stuff.
太吓人了。老铁们，马上直播！今天晚上咱们爆炒八爪鱼，我来了，大长腿儿。八爪鱼有几？今天来解剖一个海参，看看肚子里有没有宝贝。哦，哇塞！
What is that?
绝对是震惊还是？
What the?
老铁们，来个嘎嘣脆的大美瞳。
Jellyfish. It gotta be. Ugh. That's trifling, bro. Like.
像不像鱼的
It's
眼睛？
just in water.
老铁们这两天觉得有点虚，来个海中大腰子补一补。哇塞！这点醋。来只满子的潘大星，
She finna, hold on, let me.
上个料。
She finna eat a starfish. Patrick, the star. You finna eat him?
呀，
What the? That's the meat dried up, I think.
马上开锅开灶，我来啦！哇塞，
What is that?
哎呦，挺肥呀、
Oh, hell no. If you are new to my channel and y'all like that video, man, get this video to like, maybe like, let's say 20 likes for like a part 2. But like that cringy like seafood stuff, it was nasty. Like it'd be like some beautiful females, but they eating like the heads off an octopus, like a whole head. Like half of the time it's not cooked. Like what the heck? Like that's trifling, man. But as I can see, that what they do over there. That was trifling, man. Like I said, man, I'm Tareek Gang, and welcome to my channel, man. I love y'all so much, man. Down below what other videos I should do for y'all, man. I love y'all so much, man. But I'll see y'all next video. Let's go, man. Boom, we go.